Alright, here I go. Fish on Freddy. I didn't do nothing on the boat. Didn't get the picture on the boat. I caught a 27-inch halibut. So I'm at the house again, y'all. I ain't pro yet. Gotta get the GoPro. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Here it is. Just happy to show it. You know, I had to put it right here. I started filleting and I said, wait a minute, I have no pictures of this fish. So that's how you properly do it. You go out there to be larger. So you put it right here, you know, make sure he all the way over. I like him to be right. And keep moving. Where are you moving? There you go. Okay, so now there it is coming over. And I know I look over, but when you lift him up like that, might be a little over, but just a little bit. 27 and a half. Oh, 27 and a half. Yeah, I thought it was a little tough. Still over there. Oh, wait, we got a wrinkle. Pull that wrinkle out. That's why it was 27 and a half. It's 27. There it goes. Okay. Fish on Freddy. I'm out here. I wanted to get one holding him. I gotta at least pick him up, huh? I don't want y'all saying, he didn't pick it up, man. I had to turn it to the unfilleted side to get something. It's meat out here. That's some meat. Oh, I only got one hand right now. Oh, there you go. Halibut. I can do a screenshot and get a picture like that on the halibut. 27-inch halibut. All right. I had to show y'all what I do in the salt water too. That halibut meat, all that meat, really thick meat. Halibut meat. Yeah. I'm about ready to eat some now. Some halibut meat. All right, y'all. Remember, it's all under the water, baby. It's all under the water.